Hello everyone and welcome to the 12 days of Christmas, and this is day 5. So in this video I altered some Dollar Tree snowflakes, and those are those plastic snowflakes. They come in a box. They are really easy to do, you guys. Like I've mentioned it before, I'm trying to do easy projects, last minute gifts that anyone can make, just using stuff from your stash. And of course these images are from POLKADOODLES, and all of these images are from the Winnie White Christmas collection. And Winnie, I have to say that Winnie is my favorite girl from POLKADOODLES. I think she is just absolutely gorgeous. If you keep watching my video, I do have a process on how I put these together. It is the simplest thing to do, super quick and simple, and yet so cute. So I also show you the supplies used, but this is a die from Spellbinders, and of course this image from POLKADOODLES, and I used a 2.5-inch circle to punch all of these images out. All right, so that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Once you're done watching my video, head on over to Elizabeth Garza's video. I will have the lineup in the description box. And please do not forget to comment on all of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy the rest of the series. Bye everyone. So these are the snowflakes from Dollar Tree that I'm using, and this is what they look like. The Spellbinders die is this one right here, the second one. The POLKADOODLE images. All of these images are from the Winnie White Christmas. I've added my 3-dimensional adhesive, and I've already took off the backing just to make this process a lot faster. And now I'm going to adhere it onto my scallop. I'm going to do that with hot glue just so that, you know, hopefully it never falls apart. Now that I've adhered my circled images onto the scalloped one, I'm going to now adhere this onto each snowflake. And I'm going to do that again using hot glue. I use hot glue for this project because, you know, I want this process to be super quick and easy, and you know, hot glue dries pretty fast. So let's get started. So in case you missed any of my videos, just really quickly want to let you know, in case you're curious what these projects are, you're going to have to check out my videos. Here is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and today, day 5.